Siyempre si James. Kasi si James, number 1, gwapo siya. O, diba? Kahit matanda na ako, nakita na ako sa kanya. Pati yung husband ko actually, nanonood din siya. So alam niyang medyo na nakikita na ako sa kanilang dalawa ni Nadine. Tapos kaya ko siya favorite kasi I like his attitude, no, very hardworking, tapos yung love niya sa family niya. Tapos syempre pag nag-love siya sa isang person, todo-todo. No? So kaya very good siya. So swerte ni Nadine kasi mahal na mahal siya ni James. Ayun lang. Basically kasi cute siya, kaya gusto ko siya.
If I'll have a patient, I'll choose Leah. And I'll tell her na kung sa pag-clear nga ng pasyente for an operation or a surgical procedure ay may risks. Siyempre, pagdating sa pag-ibig, meron din. So, I'll advise her to give Clark a chance kasi kitang-kita naman natin na mahal niya talaga si Leah. So, yun lang.
I'm a certified Otwalista and I love really watching Otwal. Ang pinaka-memorable lines, so it may not be exact, yung line ni Clark when he said that how do you define love and how would you know if you're in love, no? So it struck me because sabi niya, love is patient, love is being a person willing to wait even for a lifetime because you just love that person. And you will wait no matter what, kung gaano man kahirap or katagal yun, willing siya maghintay. I think that's the most important. It's about life, it's about poverty, not the triumph over the difficulties. It distresses you, and that's why you're looking forward to every episode kasi naliligayahan ka. And particularly, despite all this clutter and chaos in our society, you find something in this particular teleserye because it's about love, it's about us, it's about our country, it's about patriotism. And it's the beauty of the love of two persons despite yung mga enormous problems nila in their environment. So, I think yun. And because of that, I can relate to that, and I am a certified Otwalista.
Achieve!
Diyos ko Lord!
Push!